Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your trade history on Exness by heading directly to your personal area, so you can access a full record of your orders in 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the personal area. The personal area is your central hub for account management and deep dive reporting that goes beyond the basic terminal view. Log in to your Exness account. If you are already in the web terminal, click the waffle icon in the top right and select Personal Area. Once the dashboard loads, look at the main menu and click on the Trading tab. In 2026, the personal area provides the most stable and comprehensive view of your data. While the trading terminal is great for quick checks, the personal area is designed for heavy lifting, like retrieving months of data or downloading tax-ready reports without slowing down your live charts. Next, access the history of orders. Within the trading menu, Exness separates your active trading environment from your historical records. Under the Trading tab, find and click on the option for History of Orders. Use the drop-down menu to select the specific trading account you want to review. Most traders manage multiple accounts, like a zero and a standard account. This step allows you to isolate the history for a single account, making it easier to audit specific strategies or calculate your profit and loss for a particular trading style. Lastly, filter and retrieve your data. To find a specific trade from weeks or months ago, you'll need to define your search parameters. Select your preferred time range, like last 30 days, last 3 months, or a custom range. Ensure the filter is set to closed orders to see completed trades, or choose open orders if you want a snapshot of your current exposure. Click the Apply or Search icon to load the list. You can click on any order to see the equity and margin level at the exact time the trade was closed. Exness stores older data in the cloud to keep the interface snappy. By setting a specific range, you are telling the server exactly which data blocks to fetch. This view is also where you'll find the SO icon, which is crucial for analyzing why a trade was closed automatically by the system. And that's pretty much it. To view your full history in 2026, go to your personal area, click the Trading tab, and select History of Orders. Filter by your specific account and time range, and then click on any trade to see the detailed execution data and margin levels. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.